Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my sister ready for tonight.
Hi guys, we made a slime watch.
Yeah, she makes slime watches like that. And yeah, so it's raining outside. I'll show you. We are in a bedroom right now. I will show you this thing. Okay, one second. See this. It's raining fully. And it's raining like hell. So yeah, when we are in this room and see my sister.
Guys.
So now we'll dance, okay? Without any music.
Dance for you.
3, 2, 1, let's go. This is our third video. Boom, 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 boom. What's up?
See.
The watch. Boom. Us. And I do sketches, and my sister will describe the sketches. But my sketches is not here. So tell how do I sketch?
He sketches very nicely.
Okay, next video we'll show that sketches and maybe nothing. Maybe my sister will not be in my house. She'll go to her house. So anytime she comes, we'll record it. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video and view it and and so come, we out.